Hello everyone, I have an order to make for a Vicky and it's 2 pairs of earrings and I thought I would bring you along while I make them. So what I've got is 2 pairs of gold plated earring wires, 5mm jump rings. These are the pendants I'm going to be using, very colourful. So we have these. And then this is the very last pair. I'm really sad because these are my best seller and I cannot get any more from anywhere. I've actually gone back and I have to order like 1,500 pairs from the manufacturer, which is, you know, beyond me. I don't sell them that well. So yeah, so it's really sad. So I'm going to look into other maple leaves and see what's out there. Okay, so we'll do the diamond ones first. We have 2 pairs of pliers for opening and closing the jump rings. We've got earring cards and earring bags. These are clear bags to put the earrings in. So let's get making them. So we take a jump ring. They are quite thick. We attach our earring wire. Obviously make sure you put it on the right way. And then close. There's that one. We just have to make sure they dangle okay. So when I make these, they actually have 2 pairs on each side because they just don't hang right. But these are fine. It's very strange, but take another jump ring. And there's 1 pair. Let's put those to one side. And these have 2 jump rings. Attach the pendant. So there's that one. I'm just going to take another one. Take this one. And then this goes through here, through that jump ring. Obviously the earring wire we need this way. And then close. And I'm just going to give them a squeeze just to make sure it's fine. And there is that one. Do the same with the other side. It's such a shame I can't get these anymore. If you happen to see them anywhere, I've typed in maple leaf pendants, filigree maple leaf pendants, leaf pendants, and cannot find them anywhere. apart from is it Shein or Sheen? They did have some, but then I got all excited, but they had sold out. Lots of other, I do make lots of other earrings with the same material, but these are just very popular. There we go. So we open another jump ring. Thread that through. Touch the earring wire and then close. Oh. That's fine. And there's that pair. I'm just going to attach some silicone backs. So we've got 2 organza bags. And I need a new sheet labels. These say Jessica May, handmade with love. Jessica May is my daughter. I should really have put these on before I made them. There we go, there's that. Where's the other one? We pop them in a clear bag, and that will stop them tarnishing, because leaving them out in the air will tarnish gold plating. I've got this one. So there's 2. One. Two. And then what I do is pop them into a bag. And it says, "Thank you for supporting my small business." One in there. One in there. And then we've got the customer order. And that's ready to be sent out to, I believe it was Vicky. There we go. I just have to print the postage label and put some tape on. So thank you for watching, take care and happy crafting.